Hi dear, very good morning. I am Dr. M.S. Ali, your principal of your college, Professor Ram Meghe College of Engineering and Management, Badnera. Well, let us start our episodes on getting introduction to various branches of engineering. Today we will be speaking on computer science engineering and information technology. Tomorrow we will talk on civil engineering. Day after, on Friday, we will be speaking on electrical engineering, and on Saturday, we will be talking on electronics and telecommunication engineering as a branch of engineering, and there will try to expose to you what are the various course content, what is this degree course, how many credit it has, and we will be indicating you what are the placement opportunities and what all our alumni and our students have been placed in various companies. Let me tell you at the outset, as many as 3,200 students have passed out over the period of last 11 years. The first batch coming out in the year 2013. So till date, 3,200 students have passed out from this College of Engineering and Management, Badnera, out of which 2,200 students have been placed in campus. Our placement record goes to around 70% on campus placement. Other students, either they have gone for PG studies or they have started their own entrepreneurs, startups and all, and some of the students they have gone for PG studies, their own businesses they have started. So, today we will be talking about being engineer, BE, being engineer in computer science engineering and information technology, and what are the placement opportunities at Professor Ram Meghe College of Engineering and Management, Badnera. Now, what is computer science and engineering? As I said, the degree computer science engineering from Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University you are going to get after 4 years covers total number of credits as 164 from this year onwards. Your syllabus is based on AICTE's model curriculum from 2021 onwards. It is choice-based credit system. You have multiple options to go for various courses of your own interest from third year, final year in elective. Plus, you may have BE honors degree. Sometimes if it is implemented by Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University from 2021 onwards, or maybe from 21-22 onwards, then when you are third year and fourth year student, at that time you can opt for additional 20 credit courses wherein you may go for BE honors. Well, with this idea in mind, what is computer science engineering? As I said, 164 credits you are going to cover over the period of 4 years, including your first year 50 credits. Under the degree of computer science engineering, the courses, major courses which you undergo are data structures, object-oriented programming, computer architecture and organization, microprocessor systems, system software and operating systems, computer network and internet, database processing, database management system, artificial intelligence and machine learning, and software engineering. These are some of the highlighted courses. As many as 40 courses you undergo over the period of 4 years. So, around 38 definitely. So, with this background, how information technology is different? Now, you make out please. What is information technology? It covers again 164 credit, 4 years degree course of Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University, covers data structure, object-oriented technology, computer architecture and organization, embedded systems, operating systems, computer network and internet, database technology, artificial intelligence and machine learning, cloud computing and mobile computing. So more or less computer science and engineering and information technology, they are same. Only nomenclature is different. And when you go into the field in career working, you are basically working in the field of computer science and engineering and information technology. So computer science, engineering, information technology, that is everywhere. If you recall my first discussion, wherein we tried to show you that engineering is everywhere. Likewise, computer science, engineering, information technology is everywhere. It is computer software, it is computer hardware, it is internet, it is satellite, it is printing, publishing, e-commerce, or allied areas. So you find all these computer hardware, software, internet, satellite, printing, publishing, e-commerce, networking, operating systems, connectivity, interconnectivity, then geographical information system, IoT, then blog writing, software, internet, social networking, and then we will be migrating to 5G. What are the job opportunities? If you recall, as per NASSCOM, FICCI and NITI Aayog, by 2023, 3 million job opportunities exist, which cover computer hardware, software, in mobile phones, smart devices, artificial intelligence, machine learning, IoT, IoT-based sensor networks, cloud computing, cyber security. Likewise, IT and IT-enabled services, banking, finance, manufacturing, automation, e-governance, education and insurance. What are the placement opportunities, job opportunities provided at Professor Ram Meghe College of Engineering and Management, Badera? Today, we will be talking only with reference to computer science and engineering. But that doesn't mean that we don't have a placement in electrical engineering, civil engineering and electronics and telecommunication engineering. Here, I am going to give you a sample of placement in only computer science, engineering and information technology. Tomorrow, we will be talking about with reference to civil engineering, what are their placement at this institute. Likewise, day after, we will be talking about electrical engineering and their placement. And then electronics and telecommunication engineering on Saturday, their placement. So, for computer science engineering, Mitali Bhele from our current batch 2021, which is going to pass out in July somewhere 2021, CAC, computer science engineering final year batch, placed into Tata Consulting Services, and she will be going as a software engineer in TCS. Likewise, from current batch, in Capgemini is placed Shivam Lohakre from Computer Science Engineering final year, current batch 2021. It is a sample and representative of this year's placement. Likewise, last year, Tata Consulting Services, Gayatri Sorte from Computer Science Engineering, batch 2020 in Tata Consulting Services. Gayatri Sorte will share her experience in just a few seconds.
Hello everyone, I am Gayatri Sanjay Sorte, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Professor Ram Meghe College of Engineering and Management. I got placed in 2 companies, TCS and GlobalLogic, during my final year. Guidance provided by faculties and training provided by college helped me a lot for all of my interviews. The faculties encouraged me a lot for different activities that will help me to enhance the resume. The college provided overall great assistance for the placement process, hence college helped me a lot for my placements. Thank you.
Again in Tata Consulting Services, Mr. Yashwant Tayade from Computer Science Engineering, batch 2020. In Smart Data Enterprises, Madhu Ladha from Computer Science Engineering, batch 2020. GlobalLogic, Rishikesh Akhare from Computer Science Engineering, batch 2019. Atos System, we have Pratush Vankar from batch 2019. Wipro Applying Thought, Wipro Technologies. Ashwini Bobale from Computer Science Engineering, batch 2019. In KPIT, we have Mohammad Junaid Qureshi from Computer Science Engineering batch 2018. KPIT, a multinational company. Then we have Shivani Thakur from Computer Science Engineering 2018 batch in Colabora, another multinational company, US based MNC, placed in from the batch 2018. In Novatech Software Technology Private Limited, we have Mustafa Bohri, Mr. Mustafa Bohri from Computer Science Engineering batch 2017. Unikai Hasso, Tokyo, Japan, representing Miss Lakshita Raichuria from Computer Science Engineering batch 2017, and she is working at Japan since last 3 years. In Infosys Technologies, Bangalore, but placed at presently working at Infosys Pune office, Mr. Akshay Vishwakarma from Computer Science Engineering batch 2017. Quick Hill Security Simplified, you must have heard QH, the antivirus software, representing our Rohit Bhange from Computer Science Engineering batch 2016. Quick Hill. Then the last one, but not the least one, Miss Ridhima Dhopte from Computer Science Engineering batch 2015, Intel Corporation, Intel Asia, working at Bangalore. She will share her experience with you.
Hi, I'm Ridhima Dhopte. I am currently working at Intel as a BIOS engineer. I am glad to represent our BE CSE 2015 batch. I am a proud student of PRMCM, where I got the opportunity to learn and to grow. This institution is a profound ocean of knowledge, which has helped me to achieve my goals. Thank you, PRMCM, for everything.
So with this, I, Dr. M.S. Ali, your principal, signing off. All the very best. See you tomorrow's next session, next episode of Introduction to Civil Engineering, the content of the BE degree, Civil Engineering, along with the placement at Professor Ram Meghe College of Engineering and Management, Bandera. Thank you very much. All the best. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.